Hello again, it's Trish with the 7 movements of the spine. I wanted to do another sequence standing just for fun. This one is sun salute with an added twist. That's the only movement that the sun salute does not give us, or salutation to the sun, or Namaskar A. So what we do is we come to the top of the mat, feet about hips width apart, and we extend the spine, inhaling all the way up. And then slowly bringing the hands down, we lean forward, bend the knees, flat back here. You can start to round the spine and hang, exhaling all the air out. And then inhale to a nice flat back. As you exhale, you're planting your hands and stepping back with one foot. And then we'll bring that back knee to the ground. Just breathe regularly here. And you can either come up and do an elbow twist, or you can keep your hands on the floor, lean into that hand that's opposite the foot in the front, and begin to open up the chest. Nice deep spinal twist here with another breath. Exhaling the hands down. Good. Take a deep breath in, curling the back toes under, lift the back knee up. Exhale, step the foot back, come into plank or with knees down. Either way works great. Take another breath in. On the exhale, either drop the knees first or begin to lower the whole body to the floor for your chaturanga. On the inhale, you'll roll the shoulders back, lift slightly or a lot into cobra or up dog. Exhale again. Curling the toes under, we're going to inhale up to table. And then exhale to child's pose. Take another breath here. In and out. And then slowly back to table, curling the toes under. Inhale to down dog. Stay for a complete breath here. And step forward with the other foot. Inhale. Bring the other foot up, half back. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale, lift all the way up. Nice flat back. Lead with your head. And the hands come to the heart. Good, so that's one round. We're gonna do it one more time so we get a nice deep twist on the other side. Inhale, the hands up, straightening the spine. Exhale, you can forward fold as deeply as is safe for your back. Exhale, we lift to that half fold in flat back. And then exhale, plant the hands, step back with the other foot. If you can't remember, it doesn't matter. You get them both coming and going. You can drop the knee down. You could come up, hands to heart, elbow twist. Or you can plant the hand opposite the foot and open the heart. Inhale and exhale. On the inhale, lift the knee. Exhale, step it back, plank or knee down. Inhale one more time. Exhale, bending elbows, keep them tucked in as you lower the chest slowly to the floor. All the air out. Inhale into cobra or up dog. Exhale, lower down. Curl the toes under. Inhale to table. Maybe spread the knees apart this time as you exhale to child's pose for a full breath here. Inhaling back to table pose. Take exhale out. Inhale to down dog. Stay for a couple of breaths. And then slowly looking forward, we're going to step it up. Inhale, bring the other foot up, lift halfway. Stay here for the exhale if it's safer for you, or around your spine. Inhale, lift all the way, leading with the crown of the head. Bring the hands up and palms to the heart. And that, my friends, is one of the happiest things for your spine. Moving with your breath, sun salute, the 7 movements of the spine, because I added that twist. Namaste.